Hello, fellas, ladies, gentlemen, whoever's watching. I'm tearing down that giant breaker. So, see how big these contacts are in here. For some of it, I might not even be able to get it apart. Got these keepers. I may not even be able to do it today, but we're gonna give it a try. May have to update. So I didn't think them keepers would be that damn strapped. I mean, literally no pressure on them, and they're tiny. Oh, and I hope it don't take me that long to do it, because the other one was huge. I mean, a huge pain in the ass. So let's just hope that this one ain't. To run in there and catch him. This guy hollered at me a few months ago wanting to give me some catalytic converters and some batteries. Well, he's a truck driver for Snyder Incorporated. So he just passed by. I'll hold off on it though. I'll just wait. I don't have my tripod with me, so the camera, I guess it fell backwards. I'm just taking a few screws out of this to get some of these spark resistors out. Big old things, all metal inside that porcelain. And they've been hot. I guess I could see why. I mean, my goodness. The contacts in this thing are, I'm sure, going to be huge. Let me turn it around. There's the one set. That thing there is a contact. Come on, focus. That's a contact. This leg here has got a big contact on it right down here. So getting all that stuff out is a lot different than that little one that I had so much trouble with. So let's try it. Get these screws out. Hell, I can't even get down into that one. But anyway, I hope everybody had a good day. Mine was decent. Decent. Just got a little too much on my mind. But hey, that's normal. Anymore. Part of everyday life. Struggle is real. You know, some people struggle a little more than others. And I just so happen to be one. So it's all good. I'll live. I'll make it. Man. Starts getting dark way too early. Ain't much light left in the sky, so I may not be able to finish this video today. If not, I'll add to it. There's another one. I'm jumping out, so I'll show you. This right here is what's inside of these things. And I do believe they're magnetic. But there's, I mean, literally 100 of them in there. Let me get this magnet. See if they're magnetic. Okay, your guess is as good as mine. Are they magnetic? Yeah, they're magnetic. Oh well, more shred. And it's already prepared, so which is not going to go full prepared. But oh well. Tis what it is. Let's give me a barrel and put a bunch of little stuff in it. Oh, alright. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright. Let's get this other keeper. Just little old pins. Why they got castle nuts on them, I could never tell you. I mean, I'm sure it vibrates, but I don't think it's going to vibrate enough for a castle nut to be on there. I don't even know what I've done with the other two. It's probably right here somewhere. Probably throw in that bucket. Jesus. Here's going to be a hellion. Sorry for the camera view. My goodness. That dude is not going to come out there. Not coming. Hell's done broke. So let's try to do it like this. Get it out there the other way. I grabbed a broken screwdriver. I need to get that thing on my grinder and straighten it up. That's why it ain't going in that edge. There we go, we got it. Alright. Okay, so for the guys and gals out there that don't know what a castle nut is, it's just a little nut, which they come in many different sizes. And they look like a castle. The tops. Damn fingers. They got slots in them. They look like the top of a castle. That's where a cotter pin goes through. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Don't know. I'm gonna be able to get there. We can try real quick. No. things out. But I didn't. Okay. There's that motor. I got friggin' 300 of. Okay. What them things are used for, I could not honestly tell you. It's something low voltage. Okay. Let's try this again. Hell, they're too tight. Well, I'm gonna have to have that impact screwdriver, I guess. That's okay. I'll have to get back to it later. This thing is not gonna work with me. Not gonna work with me at all. Oh shit. Short, stubby. Good Lord. How the heck can anybody get a straight screw so tight? There's brass coated steel in it. Coated steel. Alright, let's see. I'm not going to be able to get it, I don't think. But, no, it's not going to happen today. I'm really not even into it. I'm going to get a brass screw. Nope, not brass. Something coming down with a little cold or something. That one there is not going to come out just like the one on the other side. Not going to come out. Shit. Kind of figures. Okay, well anyway, let's get this other one. Yeah. Get that dang top off there. Worked a little better than I thought it was going to. Alright. Let's see. I need to release these springs. That sucker had some damn torque on it. Torquey torque. Ouch. I think something's got it pinched under there. It's okay, I'll get it eventually. kind of figured it's gonna get in trouble. Alright, that released that. That's the lever that kicks it off and on. There's the big old springs. These suckers got some tension on them. Alright, let's see if we can figure out how to get the rest of this stuff out of here. It might be alright. I wish I could get this off there. Wish is granted. Your wish is granted. Another copper motor. He puts stuff in such tight spots, it's just crazy. I probably helped it creating that spot. Damn. All that time I thought that these was cast aluminum arms with brass or copper, red brass or copper. Alright, let's see. Okay. No, I don't know about this. Don't know. This near's more bigger than I'm used to. Damn copper legs on the back of that thing. They're huge. This right here, can't see it. This right here is a handle that you put that arm into. You stick this up over that arm, and that's how you kick this breaker. That way you ain't putting your hand on it. You got leverage. But, this thing here is a beast. I wish that I knew how to get this thing apart without having to take everything from off of it. But now, those screws want to turn. But I don't know. I've not gotten the science down pat to them yet. So, it's okay. I can figure it out eventually. Hopefully you guys will be with me on my little journey to learning. Damn. Why? Everything's so tight. I understand, you know, snug it up, but Jesus, I can't even get the dang going thing to break loose. Yeah, I got it. You won't hold me down. No. There's another switch. It click. That means there's contacts. Alright. Here's going to be the big ones. And these are going to be really tight. I might not be able to get them. God bless. Might not be able to get them loose. My whole weight in it. Screwdriver slipped. I'll have to go get that impact. Yeah, they're not breaking. They're not breaking. Oh well. Okay, I'm back. I know I didn't let you know. Got the impact driver out here. Screwdriver. These things are super freaking tight. I don't know if that's going to do it. It just keeps spinning. Keeps coming out. Let's see if that light loosened up. No, it ain't even touched it. Matter of fact, it stripped it. So, alright. I don't know. Maybe go get a socket. Okay. Go get a socket. Dang boats. My gosh. Long. No wonder I couldn't get them. Okay. Jesus. Six of them. One of them's got to give you a damn problem. Every time. One's got to give you a problem every time. Alright. Okay, here's more over here. Might as well get them out too. If I could just get these copper legs out, that'd be great, because they're huge. There they are. Yes, sir. Look at the lugs on that darn dude. Look at that. My gosh. Good Lord. Let y'all look at that for a minute. Them dudes are heavy. I don't know what else is holding them. There's some more bolts right here. There's a one down there. There's two on that one. Solid copper. Yeah, silver coated on the back. There's one big one in the middle here. There'll be two on the other side. Jesus. it's aluminum or something. That shocked me. Shocker. It's a real shocker. Damn. Heck yeah. 2 more. Okay. Losing light, guys. Shit. There's one big one. Ouch. I believe them are going to be aluminum. 3 big chunks of aluminum on there. Yeah, they are. Is it aluminum or brass? It ain't heavy at all. It's probably aluminum. Okay, now on to the next step. What's next? Oh, I see them. I see a bunch of screws down here. Oh hell, no wonder I broke my bit. That big Chinese EM driver, I broke my bit off. Frick. Good Lord. China. Oh well. Always another day. I can't see, so it's gonna be hard to get these out of here. No light. I got a little street light right here that I pay for every month, but it ain't bright enough to light up a gnat's butt. So I don't think I can get them out any other way. Oh my gosh, thing's heavy. But we're gonna try something real quick. I don't know for certain. Them legs are gonna be aluminum though. There's this one. That sucks. I can tell how they're tarnishing. Yeah, they're super light. It's aluminum. Ooh. It's really not good. It was free, so oh well. I just gotta be a man of my word and tell them I'd bring them something, so we'll do that. May even try to catch it on video. In the beginning of all this, a guy was asking me, you know, what kind of dollar signs are you talking? I said, man, honestly, I don't know. I said, there's too much plastic here, and I don't know how that's going to work. I said, because I got to tear all this stuff down, and you can't, you know, get a weight if you got the plastic in there. So he said, all right. Well, just don't worry about it. Hell no, I ain't like that. I'm gonna keep my word. Oh man. Gonna keep it. If it's $50, it's $50. If it's $500, it's $500. Yeah. There's some big screws. I'm hoping that they'll come out of there. All of them. There's 2, 4, 6. There's 9 of them. And you gotta break all that freaking stuff out of the hole because they got them watertight. I actually supposed to be going helping somebody do some painting and stuff tonight, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it or not. Jesus Christ. That takes all my air out of me just getting these screws loose. Okay. We'll drop the camera just a little. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Gotta get in this hole right here and pull that, whatever it is, out of there. And there'll be a straight screw underneath that. A really big screw. And it's tight, so you gotta get your screwdriver in there. Put a little weight on it. God. I'm almost not able to do it because I mean I have no grip at all anymore. There's the screw. Big old dude. Alright. There's them 3. What about these? Okay. Same aspect. You gotta find the place where the where'd it go? Okay. Yeah. If it stays still. That's just them legs. Just doing that on the other side, I think. I ain't certain. Alright. Let's see if I can get that there. Well, hell. Okay. Yeah. All right. Hold on a minute, guys. It's tight. Got me out of breath. God bless. No, it ain't coming out. Jesus. Okay. Yeah. That one is correct. Is locked in there. He ain't coming out. Damn. I can't believe I tore up my driver. Well, he come from China probably, so it is what it is. There it went. Oh yeah, hell yeah. That's a hunk. That is a one hunk. Yeah. But I'm gonna have to update you on the rest of it because I gotta go in and check on my mammals. I'm gonna have to do an update, but that is one big freaking leg. I'll get that off there. That son of a gun is heavy. Okay, so what I'll do, I ain't worried about that aluminum. I'll get total weight on aluminum later. What I'll do is I'll get a weight of just the brass legs that I've got. I don't think that they're gonna, I can't get them other two out tonight unless they come out. I bolted my hammer. Heck yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna update this video. This thing is being a cuss word. And I'm gonna go in here. Oh shit. I'm gonna pick my stuff up real quick. I ain't got much out here. Get my impact. Damn, those things are heavy. I can't even pick them up. Give me just a second. Good Lord. I can't pick them up one-handed. Okay, get my impact. I ain't look at the rest of this stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go in here and get a weight. You know, I got two of them left, so I'll weigh one, the big one, and then I'll automatically know what the other two weigh. All right, I've been doing some cleaning on the shop. I've got more room. I got a trash can in there. That white cabinet was right here. It's now right there. I've been busting it up and throwing it in the trash. First piece of it. All right. Damn, now I gotta get my bucket. I'm gonna get my bucket off there. There's 43 pounds of copper in that bucket. It ain't even nowhere near full. 43 pounds. Okay. On the big one. Alright. That's got a big old contact on it. That is going to be, I don't know. It's got some big contact on it too. That sucker weighs almost 6 pounds. Right there. That one big one. Okay. Set my impact down. All the rest of these are 4. Put them on there. Hell, that's 12.5 pounds. Okay, well, means we really don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh, let's see what it is. Trying to see where to set this junk. Okay. I'll turn it off because it'll vibrate from off my bench. That looks like copper to me. Or it could be red brass. This big one, I gotta do it with 2 hands. Give me just a second. I ain't got this thing bolted down, so it'll walk all the way across the bench. That is going to be either copper or red brass. Now, somebody told me to do something, so I'm going to go over here. But do I got any in here? Shit. No, I don't. Well, maybe I do. If not, let me walk around back. Yeah, I'll walk around back and get a piece of it real quick. Ain't no biggie. So, anywho, tomorrow I gotta work at the other property. So, oh God, I'll be glad when all this stuff is gone. I won't be able to do this. Hold on a second, guys. Can you see? There's a piece of copper pipe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna compare the color. Which, I mean, I don't know if it's gonna make too big of a difference, but it will give me somewhat of an answer on what this stuff is. It's in here. Shit. Yeah, I know. I just forgot all about my phone. God damn. Okay. That is copper. Let me turn this light on. Okay. That's copper. Yeah, same difference, really. It might be a little different. It might be a little different. That one there just ain't the biggest one. Ain't got no shine. I think it's copper. I mean, looks the same to me. Alright, we'll get on to the next one. I'm sorry about the filming. I know, I suck. Love you guys. Peace. Have a good night.